Hola chicas. So we're just going to have a look now at the 2017 ordinary level exam papers, okay? These start in page 146 of your, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, 146 of your exam paper. So we're just going to have a look now at this. This is Cultura or Crueldad, culture or cruelty. So this is about the bullfighting and the bull runs, okay? I have highlighted some of the key vocab here that should help you get through it and stuff you've seen in um, what you see in general. So first one is murió, he died. Salvar su vida, save his life. Perdía, lost. Peso, weight. 500 is a number you sometimes see up as 500. Periódicos is like your newspapers. Casi is linked to numbers, which is almost. Disfrutaron, they enjoyed. Asisten, they assisted. This is the past tense of disfrutaron. Aficionado, make note of that word. You see that a lot comes with that's how you say fans in Spanish. And logrado prohibir, they succeeded to ban. I've also underlined here una portavoz as a spokesperson. Valores negativos is negative values, or somebody who's got negative values. Okay. Then I've highlighted as well desarrollo is like development, and grave, serious. So try those couple of questions there. Okay. Try those couple of questions there on that there. Okay. I want you to also have a look at the next one on the next page on 147 is un festival para Europa. So this is a festival. So this is about the Eurovision contest in Spain. Okay, I've highlighted a couple of keywords here. First one, ha sido transmitido, so has been broadcast. Okay, ha crecido, has grown. Los puntos eran dados, points were given. I've also highlighted here más justo, which is another way of saying fairer. Batir is the verb to beat. El concurso is the competition. Siete veces is 7 times. Sin ganarlo, without winning it. A pesar de, despite. Altas is high, and no tuvo éxito was not successful or didn't win. So try those two. Try those two comprehensions on página 146 y 147, page 146, 147. Okay, that is the 2017 ordinary level exam papers. Okay, so just make a note of that there. Try those. Please do not look them up on state exams commissions. Try them to the best of your ability, and I'll put up another video tomorrow with the answers. I'll put up another video tomorrow with the key answers and that there, just so that you can try them yourself. Is that okay for everybody? Muchas gracias.